What is up, guys? We're back here with another video. Tonight we are working on some Toro stuff, which is exciting. For those of you guys that do not know, Toro is an app that I worked on with one of my business partners. It's a dish rating app, so I built a mobile app in Flutter and then a full backend and admin panel that we'll see later on in this video. But a main problem that we had in the video or in the app was getting dish information, specifically like dish ingredients and descriptions and images, because the whole entire purpose of the app is to rate dishes and like find the best dishes in cities near you. So what we're looking at here is an N8N workflow put together by my business partner, Max. He put this together, and essentially what it does is it gets Google Sheets. It aggregates Google Sheets by county, zip code, and then each zip code sheet, I guess. Like there's a, so you can see like this, like so we're in like Florida. And we can go like Broward County, and there's all these like little zip codes, and then like one sheet is like a restaurant, then you have the dish names and the descriptions, prices, categories, and whatnot. So the goal of tonight's video is to run this workflow for a couple different zip codes, kind of understand the workflow of the data structure, and then get that into our database, hopefully structured in the way that we have our data structured. So I originally built this app with a document structure, with an API with a couple routes and like kind of a base schema, and then I handed it off to a team of developers that built on top of it, built tons more features on the mobile app. Didn't really touch much of the admin panel, but obviously had to like add some backend routes for the mobile application. So I'm just getting that code back, and now we're kind of sprinting towards the finish line, trying to get the rest of this data that Max has gotten for us here into the app, because I mean, the app is nothing without the data. We just need tons of data. So Max has done a great job getting this together, and then now it's my job to migrate it over into our database. So yeah, tonight's video we're gonna get all of this into the sheets, write a script to try to normalize it, and then hopefully get it imported. But yeah, so let's just kind of go over this N8N workflow. N8's kind of new for me. I've been exposed to it like a couple times, but my main gist of it is that it's just like Python, essentially. You're just like writing a ton of little Python scripts. So like this one, for example, is triggered by a chat. So like I open the chat and then I send in the zip code, and then it does all this stuff like gets the city, state, zip, lat long, formats the name for the scraper. It's like an open table scraper, so it's cool. It's like you can open this and then see, then it's like making a post request to this URL, like right here, apply, and yeah, it does open table. So yeah, I kind of want to think. It says 10 items. Whatever. Let's just run it first, get an idea of how it looks, how it works. So essentially, yeah, it gets that. This is so difficult. Formats the data, gets the county, checks if the restaurant exists on the master sheet. So like there's this master sheet that has like all the restaurants. American Social is one we just looked at. Cool. So then yeah, it does that, and then has a bunch of different like conditions based off of that. Does some things with like the sheets and the drives here, and then yeah, I think the rest of this is just like merging, checking for duplicates. Cool. So let's run it for let's do Orlando. I'm in Orlando right now. 32828. Look at this, dude. So then, yeah, this is just gonna run, and we get these logs, which is pretty cool. So like you can see like the input for this get city state zip was 32828, and then it gave me back United States. I'm in Orlando, Florida. Awesome. Formats that, And then now we're scraping, so this thing's running. Here's the input, some output. In the meantime, I guess I'll show you what the admin panel looks like. So I'm here, I'll run the backend server, and then I'll do the same for the front. Back's running on 3000, front's running 3029. So like the backend is, I think it's an Express server. Don't quote me on it. Yeah, there you go. It's an Express server, and that's just Firebase all the way. So this runs like the mobile. You can see the mobile routes, the web apps, some scripts and stuff that I wrote to do a lot of scraping for the original MVP. Now we're about to launch beta though, which is super exciting. Here's the front end, which is written in Next.js with Shad CN. Looks super clean. Take a look at that. Back over here. Oh wow, look at this thing's going. Oh my gosh. Dang. This thing worked fast. So it merge state name, remove duplicates. So let's see if he created our sheets. So we should have Orange County. Orange County, buddy. This is awesome. Cool. Very cool. Do you have any restaurants on here yet? Nope. Nope. Oh, here we go. Dave and Buster's. I'm dead. Hey, dude, there's a restaurant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Alright. None on here. None on here. None on here. See, I'm worried that there's like a limit somewhere on. So we haven't even looped over to do the dish rows. So I'm assuming that this like adds all of those tabs. Yeah, it creates tabs, loops. And then now we're getting all the tab IDs. We're merging with the dish data. Now we're looping over and adding the dish data. So I think that there's like a limit or something, because we should have so many restaurants in here. Like there's so many restaurants in Orlando. I mean, cool. Like I'm not upset. We're just getting like a little idea of what's going on right now. So super content. Let's let that run and let's go to the admin. This is what the admin looks like. Super slow. Super slow. We gotta figure that out. It's for a different video. We're not focused on that right now. Oh, very cool. So these are like all the categories. I think Max has been to work. Adding some icons and whatnot. That's not pizza. Subcategories, dishes, restaurants. So right now, we had a ton of data that we originally like scraped using Yelp, and then so yeah, this is originally like from Yelp, like we said, like all of Fort Lauderdale. Max has been going to town here, just like manually adding records. Likewise with dishes, you could add dishes, do the same thing. So yeah, Max has been manually doing that, but it's coming to about time to where we're gonna need to get this working so that we can import it. Oh, here we go. Excellent, excellent, dudes. This is gonna be huge for like so much data. Makes me nervous that it might be slower. But new challenges, we'd have to have new challenges to like make it quicker, which is fine, dude. That's like all part of the fun. With fries. Cool. Fried pickles for the pickle me girlies. I'm dead, bro. $125 for this at Boatyard. Wow. But yeah, cool. So this is it. We see it's just basically just like looking at all the data in our database. But this is dope, dude. Getting this right here. So I'm assuming that this is still running, looping. Cool. Doing one at a time. So we've done 2 restaurant full menus so far. Wow, 97 menu items, or 96 menu items because of the header, but still, dude, that's huge. How long are we running so far? 5 minutes. And where are we? Cool. So how many restaurants did I get back? So we got 7. There's gotta be some sort of like limit or something, right? We're gonna let this run, but we gotta investigate because this is gotta be limited somewhere. No authentication. Can I like make this bigger? Max item is 10. We need to change this to 100. Yeah, we will do that. That's fine though. This is just for us to get an idea of what's going on here. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was AI. Wow. AI, man. Is that AI? Like this is the Excel AI? Very cool. Alright, well, I mean, this thing can still run, but in the meantime, I'm gonna download this as an Excel sheet. 32819 dishes, right? To get a file name. So let's make a new folder. We'll call this data, and then we're gonna bring that in there. Let's get that file in there. Off screen, I am taking that file that we just downloaded and I'm dropping it in that directory. So you should see it in 1 second. QRST. There it is. Look at that. Wow. Yay. Okay. So let's just say it's dish name, dish description, dish price, dish category. That is the structure. You know how we roll here. We're starting with some context. And then we are going to go to Gemini and I'm going to upload that file. I need you to create me a script that will parse all of these dishes and upload them to Firebase with their respect. No, let's not upload. Let's just normalize them to their respective Firebase document structure. The sheet name is the restaurant, and we will link that with the master sheet provided. Oh, so now I need the master sheet too? Well, is this thing still cooking? Wow, 10 minutes? That's pretty long. We don't even have this. Dude. So what is it doing? is it doing? Confused. We're gonna need to download this master sheet too. All right, now we got the master sheet. We're going back to Florida, Orange County. So there's no other interesting. Word. I mean, there was only 7. We saw the 7, so. Oh, it's done. 10 minutes and 43 seconds, and all we got was 2 menus scraped. Do we get like rate limited or something? Yeah, how are we gonna do 100 restaurants, bro? Okay, that's beyond the point. Okay, that's out of scope. We're gonna work on converting this to, or normalizing this to our data structure. So that's the main goal right now. Let's go ahead and move that master sheet to our data directory. So off screen, I'm grabbing that master sheet and I am copying it over to the data directory. Boom, it's in there. And then please create me super simple. And then for good measure, just grab like a document. Let's say name is I don't know, El Camino. Oh, there's a couple of El Caminos. I don't know, what was one that I saw on here? One that was created recently. Okay, Big City Tavern. I don't want the whole thing. What the heck is this? Like a image URL, bro? My gosh. Okay. Here is the restaurant structure and dish. So now we're going to go to the dishes. Oh my goodness. This is brutal. Like, why? Why is it so slow, dude? My goodness. This is running locally on my laptop. Like, it can't be that freaking slow on... Dude, it can't be that slow, right? My goodness. We gotta upload the master sheet too. Alright, prompting done, and then now it's time to have fun. So that's cool, this is done. We got these. Ooh, exotic cocktails. Cocoa nuts for you. Bacardi black rum, Malibu, coconut rum. Sounds pretty good. I'll drink that. I like margaritas. Any spicy ones? Over here, mango. Little frozen mango mark. Now you're speaking my language. Here we go. Here we go. Always so pretty, man. Always so pretty. They always make it so pretty. Let's see. Time to read over. Make sure that everything's looking good. Yep. Everything's looking good. Yes. Yes. There is no restaurant CSV. Yeah, looks good. What was the name of this song? Banger. Banger. Where were we? We're coding. We're changing that. Okay. Yep. Oh my gosh, it's there so many times. Okay. Can you please help me implement this needed service to convert these sheets to please note our I mean, well documented, production ready. Oh, I already said minimal clean. Let's get it. Let me dancing out here. Yeah, this needs to be so much faster. I don't know, it's good. Dang. Someone's been balling. ready to launch. Looking good. Just gotta get all this data in and then we're GTG. Oh, great. It's not working in the data directory. There's no requirements.txt. You're gonna have to move into the data directory, baby. Oh my goodness. Yes, it was. Oh, buddy. See, it's like we're fighting back and forth. Oh, it definitely thinks that the data directory like is where the data is stored, not like what the name of our directory is going to be with all of our data in here. Whatever. Yeah, so the AI will just let it do all its research. It's using pandas and it's like looking at the structure. So now it's looking and it just determined that all of the restaurants are categorized by sheets. You know, I was able to see the sheets there. And then now it's looking through the sheets, looking at the columns, looking at the rows. So now it's creating our Firebase normalizer. Bum 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 bum. Playing some heat tonight, boy.
Oh, hell no.
Alright, back to business. Look at this. We get the normalizer. And we're about to get the readme. Awesome. Okay, too bad we need to move this in here. Get rid of that. Cool. Initialize the normalizer, taking in two files, the master and the dish file. So what's going on here? So we're loading the normalizer, and then we're normalizing the data, and then we're saving the JSON. So normalize data processes the restaurants, which I assume just opens the Excel file, right? It's gonna go through all of the Excel file rows, gonna get the name, gonna create the doc from all of our rows. Cool. So yeah, we're just getting all that stuff. Cool. Then I assume after that we just do restaurants, dishes for the restaurant, restaurants, dishes. Cool. Oh, then we saved to JSON. Alright, thanks, cursor. You've been good to me. It's time for me to run this now. Oh, brother. So let's create a virtual environment. Source it. And then now we are going to PIP install the requirements. What are our requirements? UUID and Open Excel, NumPy, and Pandas. Alright. Oh, there you go. Never mind. Cool. So we have restaurants, dishes, and then Firebase. And it gives us the mapping. Wow. Oh, so let's make sure that whatever state to JSON output path. What is the output path? Oh, cool. No. Do we have logs or anything? Oh, here we go. Oh, wow, no dishes. Excellent. No dishes. All of our restaurants. Yeah, so that what I just said. Warning, no matching restaurant found per sheet. What do you mean? We are working in the data directory. So why are there none? Oh my goodness. We are parsing the restaurants but not the dishes correctly. We are not linking the sheet name on the dish XL. All right, let's see. This is my last little go round, hopefully. No, they're not. They're the same. Mangoes. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, not mango, mango. Yeah, but it doesn't matter if we don't even match them, bro. Like, they should get let's see. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. This is what I like to see. Processing sheet David Buster's. Heck yeah. Match sheet David Buster's. Heck yeah. It's a restaurant. Found columns. 59 dishes David Buster's, buddy. Let's go. Restaurant. Firebase data. Here's our restaurants. Record is awesome. And then where's the dishes? So then now for the dishes. Awesome. I think I got a service key in here. Yeah. Now please write a simple script to import this fire. Yes, I do. So we've got that. So then now what I'm about to do is I'm going to take all this structured JSON. So we've got all these restaurants and dishes, and then they're structured in such a way where like this is the unique ID. And then because of that, we can now link these dishes to the restaurants. So like this is a restaurant, like C. And then if I search that, the only restaurants I want to add are the ones that we have dishes for. Go to the top. I want to see the top dishes for it. Oh my goodness. Here it is. So this is the only one we want. Okay, we want that one. And we want... What was the other one? Like 6? 6, 5... Alright, so we don't need these. Mango and then Dave. Alright, bang. A little bit more work than I would have liked to do, but okay, we got 2 of these restaurants on iDrive. Oh, and that's excellent. That's excellent. That's just so excellent. Is that how it is on the sheet, dude? My gosh. Alright, so we got that. Import restaurants. Do I have to do this? So the service account. Alright. So the service account is just like your .env file that I'm about to get from right here. You can't see any of this. You're not going to see any of this. Boom. Got it. So, okay. Does it have can we improve to please get lat and long based on yeah, because we don't want, dude, like, we need this. This is so important. And then from there, we're chilling. I hope it uses the we initialize, we load the data. We're loading the data from that path that we have here. So it's going to load this in. And then getting the restaurants. Oh, bet. Yeah, we need to do that. This is what I'm looking for. With the custom ID, we need to get that document, and then we need to set. Okay, boom. That's cool. I think we're ready to go. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna run this. So it's called service account. Sorry. Just wasn't the vibe. This is definitely more the vibe. About wrapping this video up soon. I want all this to get in. So awesome. I'm ready to run this. I want this to get in there. Boom. Boom. Cursor's still over here flying, ripping through this stuff. But yeah, so we started the import, loaded the SDK, we loaded 2 restaurants, 155. So we skipped the geocoding. Oh, dang. That's really what I just asked it to do. We got 2 restaurants imported, and then we did the dishes. So let's go to Toro and let's double check and make sure. And then if this is true, then that's huge for us. So let's just say it's a pretty awesome. Let's see. Oh my goodness. We waste so much time being slow, like just waiting on things to load. Like this was 10 minutes. Like, oh my gosh, this is brutal. I mean, I'm running this locally right here. Just want you to say want you around all the time, no fun. Oh, our categories. Oh, cool. So we got Dave and Buster's here. No image. That's good. Got the address. No phone. Oh, so that's the error there was the... Yep. Gotcha. So it got added. It's just the category. So what's different between the category? Ah. I'm understanding. Wow. Alright, so we're going to have to delete all of those that we just added. Okay, that's fine. Updated that. Cool. I mean, just delete all of the ones that are linked to this restaurant. But yeah, that's cool. We got them in here. And then now we just need to clean them up. But we got the restaurants in here. Definitely need to fix these. So yeah, let's just fix this real quick because I'm not going to finish the video without getting these in here and seeing them in the admin panel because that's the whole point of the video is to get it done, son. Write a quick script. See, this is also hard. They never know that it's doc refs. Like, so normally, like, yeah, this is the right thing to do, you know, like category, like appetizers. But, and like same thing with like restaurant here, like restaurant, like here's the ID, and then we just like join that. So it's like this dish relates to that restaurant. But then like when we go back to this, like Captain Towers, see how there's like categories and then the ID. And then like restaurants and then the ID because it is a reference. So like we have to uphold that reference. I'm just going to give it to him. Alright, boom. Come on. Hopefully this is the last time. This is the last one because I'm getting tired and I want to go to bed. But this song is so good. So this song's going to bring some life back up into us. I'm going to turn it up.
Feel like I'm holding on to bad
Cool. I really want to get this done because I've been meaning to do it for a while for Max, and I feel bad because I'm ready to launch this app. It looks great. We got so much data. It looks so good, and now that we got the code, I'm fired up, and I'm writing code again. It feels good to write code for Toro because it's a great idea, and it's going to be good. Let's go. We got our script written to clean up all the dishes. Always sus. No, we're not removing restaurants. Bro, what is going on?
I know where I'm coming from. No expectations. Anytime I get
I think this like first
complicated and I don't know where to go.
yes,
To go from here.
he understands. I think I was pretty vague. I don't know if that was vague or not. It's so hard to tell like with these prompts. Like you want to be super vague but also like not. So yeah, he gets it now, and we're about to get it. Probably super loud, I forgot. 'Cause I've been here before. I've been here, I've been here. Ooh, this is looking like a long one. My first hour-long video. It's looking to be. All my videos have been so long. Like, gotta figure it out. So, cool. Let's run them. Alright, so let's do service account is service account JSON. This is credentials for Firebase so that we're able to use it. Word. Removed 155 dishes. That's always sus. Always so sus letting this AI just delete stuff for us. Oh my gosh. Alright, come on. Boom. I hope that please don't be two of them. I hope there's not two of them. Everything looks good. Awesome. There's not two of them. And then this is the real moment of truth. Looks fine. I mean, this is just such a super long loading. Oh my gosh, it takes like 30 seconds. Oh my gosh. It's hard to tell like if these errors are from us or not. Let's boom, buddy. That's wrong and that's wrong. But is there no price? Oh, there's no price. So let's do this one. As long as the price is there, that's all that matters. We can correct everything after. Calamari. Cool. We got them in there. The restaurant's not linked. Why is that? This worked perfectly, but now the references are in quote. Alright, so we got it in there, and then now all we need to do is just get rid of these quotes. So these quotes cause it to where we're not able to like link. So like, because this needs to be an actual reference, like how that looks in code is, here, let's see if I can find it. Wow, very rare. We're actually like digging in, looking through the code. But okay, so like when we go to these dishes right here, and then like we get this dishes data, so like wherever this is called from, where this data comes from, load data, okay, loaded data, essentially here at this dishes, for this restaurant, like we just link to this document ID. So like, oh, there you go, restaurant. Oh, here we go. Cool. So look, before we were just like taking that restaurant with the, like, we would replace this, and then like it would just be like restaurants ID, and then we would store that like as a string right here, but it needs to be like the actual reference. So like what they do now is like we actually like in that restaurants collection we actually get that document, and then for that restaurant like we store that reference, so then it's storing a reference to that document. So then yeah, I'm ready to run that cleanup script now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So what did this do? What did I just do? Come on. I don't know what just happened. See, this is why you don't. Crap. Come on, load. I mean, it looks right. Looks right. What was the one that we, plat yard or platter, a boat yard. All right, so that's still intact. So what did I have, like, yeah, I mean, everything still looks intact. Like, I don't know what got updated, but, see, this is sus me out. Updated dish reference fix. Alright, so I guess they just had references that weren't correct, and then now they're correct. So, cool. I mean, my job's done here. We got everything: Dave and Buster's, Strawberry Shortcake, Hurricane, price, category, date's incorrect, but that's fine. The date doesn't really matter. So now we should be able to see this. I don't think that there's lat long though, so where name equals Dave and Buster's. Got it. 4.1. Cool. So yeah, there's no location. So yeah, we need to update that so that they'll show. But dude, that's the workflow from N8N that Max got. So it creates those sheets that are in that structure that we saw, like the oh, I lost it. But whatever. You know, like it's in Martin County, or no, like we do Florida, Orange County, zip code, and then in the zip code we get this. And that's what this workflow outputs. So I really do think that there's a limiting factor here in this max items of 10. But what I'm also concerned about is that we got 7 restaurants here, which is fine, you know, like just for testing. Like the purpose of this video is us to get that script to import to admin panel anyway, which is what we did. But only getting 7 restaurants back, and then there's only information for 2. You know, that's a concern. So it's definitely something to look into for next video. But for the time being, I think that we've done a great job tonight. We went over N8N. It was first time using that, so got familiar with this scripting software workflow, and then now have those being dumped in here, and then we're able to import those to this data directory where we can then run the Firebase normalizer against those to create the dishes, Firebase data, the restaurants, and then from there we run the Firebase importer, which then transposes this JSON data into Firebase documents that we see here that are then displayed on our admin panel. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a thing or two. And as always, if you guys made it this far, greatly appreciate you. Just remember to like and subscribe if you guys like videos like these and you want to keep seeing videos like these. Anyway, good night and thanks.